we have the Leopard V-neck t-shirt. So cute, so cute. So I love these color tones, the grays, black and gray and white, sort of like a washed out gray, almost like tie-dye-ish here in the middle, with your strips of white, and then your fun leopard print at the top and at the bottom, and then throwing in some extra white there in the shoulder. So cute. So this is comfy, like soft and super stretchy. 95 poly, 5% spandex. Just has a nice, normal T length sleeve, and even the whole way around. Show you the back. Fits very true to size. I am a 38. I chose the small. I'm like the 37, 38 in between there. The small was measured at 37, and that's what what I have on. Fits me perfectly. So this particular one goes up to an extra large. Bust measurement is 45. So just pay attention to your measurements to help you pick your sizing. But again, fits very true to size. So cute, so comfy. Just a great everyday, add a little fun, little wildness to your day. So, and this is one of the white label pieces. That means it takes about 7 to 10 days to arrive on your doorstep. It is great quality, a really nice feel, no sheerness to it, just super comfy, almost like buttery soft feel. So, and the price point on this is amazing, 24 bucks. So ladies, I'm gonna post a link down below here for you to check it out. All the details are on the product page. If you have any questions, let me know. Go grab it. It is so stinking cute. So, all right, have a great one.